Hey Wealth Wavers! Welcome back to Wealth Waveview, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in wealth creation and financial freedom. If you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into your weekly report for all things Web3, blockchain, and crypto. This is the cutting-edge content you need to stay ahead of the curve. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. This week has been absolutely packed with breaking news in the world of Web3, blockchain, and crypto. From lawsuits and reorganizations to meme coins and ETFs, there's a lot to unpack. So, let's kick things off with the major headlines you need to know. Here we go! First up, New York Attorney General Letitia James is cracking down hard. She's suing crypto companies NovaTech and AWS Mining, accusing them of running illegal pyramid schemes. Allegedly, over 11,000 individuals and investors have been defrauded, losing a staggering $1 billion in cryptocurrency. That's a huge hit and could have serious implications for the industry. If you're invested in any crypto schemes, make sure to do your homework and stay safe out there. Next on the docket, creditors of the bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX are raising serious objections to its reorganization plan. Issues cited include property rights concerns, the best interest test, and inconsistent debtors liquidation analysis. Sunil Kaveri, a notable FTX creditor activist, highlighted these objections, which could potentially delay and complicate the reorg process, something all crypto investors should keep an eye on. Meanwhile, the ever-controversial Andrew Tate is stirring the pot in a big way. Andrew Tate-inspired meme coins have taken the market by storm, trending heavily on DX Screener. These coins amassed hundreds of millions in a matter of days. Tate confirmed his intention to crash the Solana market, causing chaos and heightened volatility. If you're trading meme coins, watch for these sudden market shifts. Let's talk about the regulatory front. SEC Chair Gary Gensler has put a pause on the introduction of spot Ethereum ETFs, citing concerns over unethical conduct in crypto exchanges. In a recent interview, he emphasized that more time is needed to address these concerns. This delay signifies ongoing regulatory hurdles that crypto investors, particularly in Ethereum, should consider. Switching gears to some internal industry news, Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, is on the defensive. He's refuting claims of weak fundamentals and accusing media outlets of negative portrayals. According to Hoskinson, Cardano's actual progress stands in stark contrast to what's being reported. If you're a Cardano investor, or thinking about becoming one, it might be worth digging deeper beyond the headlines. Now for some big business news. Trading platform Robinhood is set to acquire cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp for a whopping $200 million in an all-cash deal. This acquisition aims to strengthen Robinhood's foothold in the crypto market and attract more institutional clients. It's a move that could have significant ripple effects across the trading landscape. In a startling turn of events, U.S. lawmakers are urging President Joe Biden to intervene in the detention of Tigran Gambaryan, a Binance executive held by Nigerian authorities for nearly 3 months. They are calling this situation a hostage crisis and demanding immediate action. How this unfolds could have far-reaching implications for international crypto operations and regulations. Let's take a quick trip to Southeast Asia. Thailand's SEC has just approved One Asset Management to launch the country's first Bitcoin ETF, but it's exclusively available to wealthy and institutional investors. The ETF will invest in 11 prominent global funds. This move underscores Thailand's growing interest in the crypto space, especially among its wealthier citizens. In Europe, Austrian crypto broker Bitpanda is teaming up with Deutsche Bank to offer real-time payment solutions in Germany. Through API integration, Bitpanda will gain access to German IBAN accounts, making transactions smoother and faster for their users. This is a promising development for European crypto enthusiasts looking for more seamless operations. Switching to sports, Watford Football Club has announced plans to sell 10% of its equity to investors, including fans, via crypto and startup investment platforms Republic and Cedars. This initiative is aimed at engaging supporters and raising funds, blending the worlds of football and fintech in an exciting new way. Football fans and crypto enthusiasts alike, this might be an opportunity worth looking into. On the home front, A Harris Poll survey funded by Bitcoin ETF issuer Grayscale reveals that more American voters are seeing Bitcoin as a viable hedge against geopolitical tensions and rising inflation. In fact, 1 in 3 voters now considers candidates' stances on cryptocurrencies when heading to the polls. This shows just how deeply crypto is weaving into the fabric of mainstream financial thought and politics. Alright, let's shift gears and dive into our blockchain weekly analysis. Ethereum remains the heavyweight champion with a 64.07% dominance and over $66 billion in total value locked (TVL). Following in its footsteps are Tron, BNB Smart Chain, Solana, and Arbitrum One. These 5 chains account for the majority of the activity and value in the space. Understanding who is leading the pack can be a game changer for your investment strategies. Among Layer 1 blockchains, Ethereum dominates even more intensely with an 81.13% share. BNB and Solana follow with 7.08% and 5.85%, respectively. If you're bullish on Layer 1, Ethereum remains the safest bet, but there's still room for the likes of BNB and Solana, which are showing considerable strength. Turning our focus to Layer 2 chains, Arbitrum One is leading the charge with a 28.72% dominance and a TVL of over $3 billion. It's closely followed by Blast and Base. These Layer 2 solutions are developing rapidly, promising to make blockchain more scalable and efficient. If you're looking for growth, the Layer 2 space is definitely where you want to be investing. Analyzing the 7-day change for Layer 1 blockchains, we see BNB showing a significant positive change of plus 8.0%, followed by Bitcoin at plus 3.2%. On the other hand, Avalanche has taken a hit with a minus 5.0% change. For Layer 2 chains, Arbitrum One leads with a plus 3.1% change. The trends consistently point towards a growing market but with volatility, so keep your risk management strategies tight. Now, let's dive into our cryptocurrency weekly analysis. Bitcoin continues to be the undisputed leader with a market cap of $1.403 trillion, showing a 7-day change of plus 4.0%. Ethereum follows with a market cap of $457 billion. Among the other major players, BNB stands out with a stellar plus 19.1% 7-day gain. This analysis highlights the movers and shakers in the crypto space that you need to be watching closely. Switching gears to memecoins, Dogecoin leads the pack with a market cap of over $23 billion. Interestingly, while Dogecoin and Floki have shown positive changes, Shiba Inu and Dogwafat have taken slight dips. Floki, in particular, has shown an impressive 7-day change of plus 25.0%, indicating significant investor interest and market activity. When it comes to AI coins, Near Protocol dominates with a market cap of over $8 billion and a positive 7-day change of plus 2.1%. Bitinzer shows a remarkable gain of plus 9.8%. These developments highlight the growing intersection between AI and blockchain, a space ripe for innovation and investment. In the metaverse space, Render claims the top spot with a market cap exceeding $4 billion, showing a 7-day change of plus 3.9%. Floki follows closely with an impressive plus 24.9% gain. Axie Infinity and the Sandbox also show significant upward movement. The metaverse is becoming a crucial area for blockchain innovation, blending digital assets with immersive experiences. Alright folks, let's talk about crypto ETFs. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, stands firm with the highest AUM of $24.33 billion, but it shows a slight price decrease of minus 1.14%. On the futures side, ProShares Beto marks the highest AUM but faces a minus 1.22% drop. These trends show that while ETFs are solid investment vehicles, they are not immune to market volatility. Keep these movements in mind while planning your crypto ETF strategies. Decentralized finance continues to be a hotbed of activity. Lido takes the lead with a TVL of $36.411 billion and a positive 7-day change of plus 2.33%. Eigenlayer follows closely, showing the highest positive change of plus 7.78%. DeFi remains one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving areas in the crypto space, and keeping tabs on these protocols can offer massive opportunities. Among centralized exchanges, Binance continues to dominate with 75.3 million monthly visits and a trust score of 9 out of 10. Coinbase and Bybit follow with 46.3 M and 31 M visits respectively, both scoring a perfect 10/10 in trust. If you are trading on centralized platforms, these are the most popular and trusted exchanges to consider. In the world of decentralized exchanges, Jupiter holds a substantial lead with a 17.1% market share by volume, followed by Uniswap v3 at 10.2%. These exchanges offer a variety of tokens and more control over your assets, making them increasingly popular among savvy investors. For those involved in derivative trading, Binance Futures tops the list with an enormous open interest of over $23 billion. Bybit and Bitget Futures follow with $14.8 billion and $11.8 billion, respectively. Derivative trading can be complex but offers high profit potential, definitely not for the faint-hearted. Moving on to the NFT scene, Blur is leading by a mile with an 80.09% market share. However, none of the major marketplaces show a positive volume change this week, indicating a cooling phase. NFT enthusiasts should stay vigilant and look for opportunities as the market adjusts. If you're into NFT collectibles, this week's star performers include assets like 5DF669 F8CD2889 priced at over $219,000 and 5883D5E7B81BB0D2 at over $209,000. CryptoPunks also feature prominently among the top collectibles. High-value NFTs remain a lucrative sector, drawing interest from collectors and investors alike. Let's talk about fundraising. This week the crypto sector raised nearly $402.43 million across 26 rounds, surpassing the previous week's $351.10 million. Major sectors attracting funds include SoFi with $218.75 million and GameFi with $35.08 million. If you're targeting investments, these sectors are evidently gaining a lot of traction. Among the most active investors, Hashkey Capital and Animoca Brands lead the pack with 4 deals each. Following them are the Spartan Group, Foresight Ventures, and GSR. Knowing who is investing heavily can provide insights into upcoming trends and potential opportunities. Finally, let's look at investment locations. The United Kingdom tops the list with a whopping $200 million raised. The US and Singapore follow with $32 million and $28.75 million, respectively. This global spread indicates vibrant activity across different geographies, suggesting a diversified opportunity for investors everywhere. And that's a wrap for this week's Web3, Blockchain and Crypto Weekly Report. Thanks for tuning in and being part of our Wealth Wavy community. We're constantly striving to improve our video quality and want to build a community where everyone can share and learn together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We value your support and feedback. Until next time, stay savvy, stay curious, and keep riding the wealth wave.